Hey guys, what is up? KK Gaming here, back with another video. Today, the only reason I'm talking like this is because I'm very, very tired. And I can't go to sleep because, you know, my little brother. And today, I'm going to be teaching y'all how to get a sick background. Any background you want, or anything like that. So first, you want to go to the Play Store. The Play Store. And go to Google Play and search up Sick RingTones and Wallpapers. Just like that. And then download the first one. Once you download that, open it, and it should show up like this. And then, if you want ringtones, you just go to ringtones, and
too many likes. A curly headed cutie, I could turn into my wife. Wait, that means forever, ever. Hold up, never mind. Oh, I spy with my little eye.
Okay, like that. I like that song, so like I'm gonna like press it, and then you could go to this little corner. It's like an arrow. Press that. It should show up like this, and press set notification if you want like it to play every time your notifications come in. And you could press save to list, or save to device. And I'm just gonna put set to ringtone. Notifications. Sorry. And then I have that particular ringtone, and you can go to wallpapers at the top. Pick whatever wallpaper you want. And yeah, you can pick whatever one you want. I'm just gonna go with hold on. I'll just go with okay guys, I'll see you when I pick one of my wallpapers. Okay, I found one I wanted, so just click on any one you want and press the arrow thing again, and press is set home screen. Press that, it should do this little circle thing, then go back to your home screen. And boom, it's on your wallpaper, but also it is on your hold on. Whatever background you picked, it will be on there only if you press that little arrow thing, and put it as save home screen, I think it was, and you could pick a ringtone, anything you like. So if you thought this video was helpful, leave a like, a subscribe. hold on, let me check my live YouTube count. Live YouTube subscriber count. Mine? 110 subscribers. 110. Guys, we need to work it up, please. I want to hit like 130, 200, whatever. I just want to hit the highest goal I could ever possibly get to. So please subscribe. And if you want a shout out, you have to be the first comment on my video. First, you need to subscribe to my channel. That's the first thing you need to do. Second, leave a like. Third, share my channel. Fourth, share this video. And sixth, leave a comment. You have to be the first comment, guys. And if you want, also if you don't have to be the first comment, just only if you only if you type hashtag notification squad. I'm going to be shouting people out if they put hashtag notification squad. So if you want to shout out, like the video, subscribe, share my channel, share this video, and leave a comment. Notifications, hashtag notification squad. If you like, subscribe, and peace out.
I just wanna rollie with a dapper ranch. I already got some designer to hold on my pants. I just want some ice on my wrist so I look better when I dance. Have you looking at it, put you